Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you fine. Today is Tuesday 29th September 2020. Take out your The Science Factor book from your bag. Open your The Science Factor book. The writer of this book is Nicholas Prask, and open the page number 39. We already done the unit number 7 question answers, its reading and its activity in a workbook. Today we saw the page number 39 in textbook. This is a textbook page 39. First of all, write down the date 29 September 2020 classwork, and after that day is Tuesday. Learning is fun. Crossword puzzle. First of all, we solve the crosswords. This is crossword puzzle. When we solve the blank, then we write the same number, we fill the same number in the crossword puzzle. First blank is rain is made of water. Rain is made of water. So write in number 2 WATER, water. And all these letters are in capital letters. And here you use small letter. Rain is made of water. बारिश पानी की बनी हुई होती है. On number 2 in crossword puzzle you write water. The sun makes the air hot. Sun makes the air hot. सूरज हवा को गर्म बनाता है. सूरज हवा को गर्म बनाता है. The sun makes the air hot. This is on number 4. So write here in number 4 HOT, hot. Wind can spread seeds. Wind can spread seeds. We already learned that wind can spread seeds. How wind can be helpful for us? Wind can spread seeds so that for plants can grow. Wind can spread seeds. This is on number 5 crossword puzzle. Number 5 SEEDS, seeds. Cross mean like that. In this way we solve the crossword puzzle. Now down. From up to down. These are downwards. Here is the first blank is without rain the air is dry. बेटा जब बारिश नहीं होगी तो हवा क्या होगी? खुश्क. Without rain the air is dry. Without rain the air is dry. In number 1 we write from downwards DRY, dry. Number 2 blank is what the air around us is like. Weather is what the air around us is like. Weather is what the air around us is like. If the air is hot, then weather is hot. If the air is cool, then the weather is cool. If the air is dry, then weather is hot. So, weather is what the air around us is like. मौसम हमारे इर्द गिर्द की जो हवा होती है उसको वो मौसम कहते हैं. Weather is what the air around us is like. Our weather is depend on the air around us. Our weather is depend upon the air around us. On number 2, here is weather. So downwards you write WEATHER, weather. Number 3, hold on to your umbrella in the wind. Hold on to your umbrella in the wind. On number 3, here is wind. जब हवा चल रही होती है तभी हम बेटा अम्ब्रेला पकड़ते हैं ना. Hold on to your umbrella in the wind. So write here WIND, wind. और हम विंड में अम्ब्रेला क्यों ज़ोर से मजबूती से पकड़ते हैं? ताकि अम्ब्रेला हमारी उड़ ना जाए. जब बारिश भी हो रही होती है और तेज़ हवा चल रही होती है तो हम अम्ब्रेला को मजबूती से पकड़ते हैं. होल्ड ऑन टू योर अम्ब्रेला, मजबूती से अपनी अम्ब्रेला को पकड़ें. इन द विंड, वो हम हवा में पकड़ते हैं. सिर्फ बारिश हो रही होगी तो हम अम्ब्रेला को लूज़ भी पकड़ेंगे तो वो उड़ेगी नहीं. लेकिन जब तेज़ हवा साथ चल रही होती है तो फिर हमें अपनी अम्ब्रेला को मजबूती से पकड़ना होता है. होल्ड ऑन टू योर अम्ब्रेला इन द विंड. W-I-N-D, wind. I hope all of you understand how you saw this page 39. Now students, complete your work in the textbook page 39 according to the instructions. Do your work neatly in a neat writing just as I asked you. If you have any query about this, you can ask to me till 2 o'clock. I am here to guide you. Stay blessed students. Allah Hafiz.